Whoa. I'm looking for him as well. I think he's up there.
Wait,
You're looking for who?
The guy dealing. Why am I getting chased? See ya. Dude, why the fuck are they after me? What the fuck? What the fuck did I do? 2 Aussie gaming videos, right? Dude, why am I getting fucking chased? Dude, are they seriously buzzing off that? Are you fucking trolling me? Why am I getting chased, dude? Fucking hell. Dude, they're on my ass, man. Dude, fucking hell, man. Dude, their cars are fucked, man. Dude, what the f- Dude, I have so much I'm so fucked. I have so much coke on me. Disaster. What are you chasing me for? I didn't do shit. Dude. Bro, what the fuck? Oh, for fuck's sakes. Oh, fuck, dude. Why am I even getting chased for? What the fuck?
Coming with me.
That's power gaming. Okay. What? That's power gaming? Well, this is, interesting.
Is it? Might be struggling breathing there. Might want to get your head above the water.
Well,
Oh.
What?
Oh, fuck.
What the fuck? So they can pull out jet skis, he can just slash carry me while I'm swimming.
My arms.
What the fuck is this, bro? Huh?
Mate, look.
So they get boats. They can TP in boats.
Yeah, that was about to happen.
Unless they got them from up there.
I'm not running a fucking XR, right?
Look, can you go grab... Alright, get the defib out the back of your car for me. Nailed it.
What?
Alright, he's alive. He's back with us. He's conscious.
Dude, that was just... I didn't like how that went down. Like, he slash carried me in the water. Dude, that is not a thing. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you can't just do... Think about it. If you're chasing someone in the water, you're not just gonna fucking catch up to someone and, like, grab them and drag them back to shore. So I'm gonna countersue them for killing me in the water. He grabbed me in the water and drowned me. So I'm suing them.
Hands up, brother.
Jeez, calm down. Fucking hell.
No, you're wrong, Smith. Sorry.
You've just drowned me in the water and now you're bloody putting the guns in my face.
Electrocute you.
Ooh. That was so... I don't mind the cops on this server usually, but that jet ski / carry bullshit, that was fucking dumb. Like, me driving in the water was a little... Well, the thing is, I crashed my fucking bike. So I was like, come on, man. I was getting chased by fucking 20 cops. The cars are... Dude, it's actually fucked. You can't get away from a fucking cop car in a fucking bike. That's fucked. That's actually fucked. That's how fucking good these cars are. You literally need to buy, like, a Kawasaki. The ones that I had are just not good enough. It's fucked.
It's on you.
Yep.
I'm gonna be taking one of them for now. I'm gonna be go test. Unless you want to admit what it is.
Grandma's flower.
Yeah, it is flour.
It is flour, alrighty. I'm gonna be testing my laptop over there real quick. If it comes back to be anything illegal, we'll be taking the rest of it and charging you with that. Do you understand?
Yeah, well.
Alrighty, perfect.
Can I get these
If you're not-
cups off, please?
For me, you're not cuffed. Sure, sorry, mate.
Oh. So, who was the lawyers in this city?
The lawyers in this city, I'll get you on. Don't worry.
Sweet.
Just so you know, you're going to be charged with evasion of police and possible distribution of drugs and illegal substance if that comes back as cocaine, as well as possession. Okay.
Dude, I can't believe I crashed my bike twice. That was embarrassing.
Bear with me,
So, you know, going in water's a bit scummy, but they were gonna get me. I guess what could have they done though?
Innocent to these charges, or do you plead guilty to?
Ah,
charges?
so you're doing this thing now, are we?
Well, you're asking for a lawyer, mate. I'm going through my procedure.
Yeah, right. Well, listen, it's gonna come. I guess that more of a deal's probably gonna get struck once the lawyer's here. So I don't really want to plead my case until we discuss.
Well, it's clear as day that you're guilty.
Yeah, but you guys might want to change some things once I discuss my argument, because the tables might turn. We got big cars, we can get lash. Go the whip lash. Give my ring now. Here we go, boys.
Alrighty, sir. Here's your lawyer. Make yourself at home with him. The cells are open if you want to leave to a private room, which I'll guide you to.
Yeah,
Oh, sweet.
I'll speak in a private chat. I'm Jake, by the way.
Yeah, so man, I'm Jack Iffy.
Is what, sorry?
I'm Jack Iffy.
And that you are trying to recover yourself back to your old self. What are your thoughts on that?
I like that. It's very good lawyer work. Just
We'll give it
I have another alley. Just let me explain. Tell me if this is a possibility.
go for it, mate. Shoot.
So obviously I'm guilty of these charges, right?
Yeah.
And but listen, when I was getting away from the police, I was swimming in the water, and he starts chasing me. He recklessly starts to carry me, if you know what I mean, and just dragging me through the water. Absolutely no police are there to protect, and he's dragging me through the water, and I just drowned. I died. I had to be brought back to life. I had to be resuscitated, and
You want to...
and I'm saying either they cut. Well, obviously, what you're saying is going to cut my charges down, but I'm saying they need to cut it down a lot, or we countersue them at another date for reckless care of life.
Possession isn't an issue.
Cool,
I'm thinking
cool.
of countersuit towards assault. That the fact they've grabbed you and held you against you under the water.
Mm-hmm.
That's surely against their protocol to drag someone
Yep, absolutely.
safely
That's
under
what I
the water
thought.
and not connected to a breathing apparatus as he was, which he
Mm.
did to me.
Exactly.
I made sure that for me, he was above the water. He was okay.
Dude, I died
He
though.
struggled. Not once did he tap me on the side, saying that he's in danger at all. Okay?
I died.
He was perfectly safe.
I literally died and had to be brought back to life.
What would be in there about safely dealing with the suspect? It would be to secure the area first, would it not? Is underwater...
You would like me to secure the ocean, sir?
So,
Thing that's really
Yep.
dumb, but something-
have you taken any drugs?
Yes, and I can prove it. Look, come, stand up.
I'll stand up.
Look what's in my pockets. Wait.
Oh my.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Have you taken...
And that's how I inject the cocaine.
Oh,
I have 2 of them.
Alright, I'm not going to touch that so it doesn't affect evidence, but we'll agree to a search and to a drug test.
Yep, and if they keep being bitch asses, tell them we're countersuing them. They literally, I don't know why he's saying he didn't care about my life. I literally died. He had to give me CPR, and if we could get him up in the courts and he denies that, he's lying. They have GoPros on. He had to give me CPR to bring me back to life, and that's fact. Now listen, officer. I use so what did I have on me? Cocaine. Cocaine's a small lasting drug. Look at what's in my pockets. I inject it. What's in my pockets, officer?
Right, you have 2 needles in your pockets.
Exactly.
This is a fucking powdery substance. You're telling me that you inject powder into your vein?
Do you not know you can inject cocaine?
Can be purified
It's actually better.
with baking soda and
Right. But the substance I have that I've grabbed off him is powder.
Yeah, and you mix it with some shit.
It's in its original form. We don't know how long ago he took the drugs. We just know he's under the influence.
Like, I must be missing something, but last time I checked, you sniff cocaine.
No, you don't. If you're a bitch ass from college, but if you're a hard dog, dude, you fucking inject that shit. What do you think crack cocaine is, motherfucker?
Alright, I'm gonna be grabbing these 2 needles off you.
Yep.
And I'm gonna be testing these for the cocaine that you said you've used them with, okay? Do you understand?
Yep.
It's actually, once it's been purified into crack, it is referred to as crack cocaine.
Exactly.
If you could alter the record to say that, please.
Can you repeat that for me?
The substance known as coke, once purified, is referred to as crack.
Right. What's that got to do with these needles here?
Just for your records, how you inject
Because
crack.
you keep saying, you don't inject cocaine, but I'm the drug addict here, not you, buddy. You fucking do.
Hey, unless you're saying that you do drugs, officer, and I'm happy to take that to your superior.
Right, look, I've been doing this job a while. I've never seen such a claim before, but I'll go with it. I'll go test these.
Quite weird, so.
It is what it is. I'll be right back, alright? Let me go test these tubes.
Just keep that countersue in the back of your mind, alright? Because I literally...
You can threaten the countersue me all you want. That's fine.
Well, I'll be getting some big-ass compensation. Your boss will not be happy with you.
That's alright, mate.
From what I've
You
heard,
can threaten me all you want.
Department's got a large fund. I'm happy to take some of that.
That's
Yeah.
alright.
Ching ching, that's all I hear. Ka-ching.
Alrighty, Mr. Lawyer Man, can you come with me? Can I have a chat with you? Perfect.
This is so fun, dude. I love this lawyer, dude. This is actual sick content.
In that
I've always
closed room. You should take that advice, sir. Alrighty. Obviously, he's not normal.
Dude, I just think cops should be more lenient to give off charges if people are RPing them and giving good arguments.
It's life when you're grabbing him instead of trying to drag him further down to the water, because it's only you that saw it, wasn't it?
No, there was 4 other officers there that could...
Nope, they won't. No, they were.
That's fine.
And they will tell them.
Let him off with possession of an illegal substance and evasion of police. With 15 months. How does that sound to you?
I hope we scrap down that 15 months at a time, sir. He's been here for a while, he's not waiting for me.
Well, no, that was his choice to be here, sir.
Okay, that's fair enough. Just a suggestion.
I gave him the opportunity to plead himself guilty to these charges. He agreed. He just wanted a lawyer for something else. Now, we've gotten absolutely nowhere with this current conversation because I'm still charging him with what I originally am charging him for.
Because you're a fucking shitty cop.
Yeah, I don't know.
Nah, he's alright. They're just so tired-ass, man. They don't want to give up anything. Like, dude, we're RPing it. Like, yeah, our arguments might not be flawless, but dude, we're RPing it out.
Let me double check that.
Have we waived the evasion? Like,
Give us...
you're saying that you can't prove he was on drugs.
Well, that is the major charge.
It is a major charge, but does he have any priors for evasion?
Oh, he has plenty of.
With that in mind,
Fuck off.
take the evasion. Alright, give me a second just to confirm if they will be giving the money
You
back or
haven't
not.
set your course on yet.
So, do we countersue or no? Or do we just drop the
I
ball?
don't think we should. I think it's a good outcome.
Yeah, alright.
Seeing what they had you with, evasion, large scale distribution, they had the cash on you.
He fucking ran away and then went.
I'll explain it to you. I bought a game.
Is this door shut? Can we lock the door?
Just wait.
See you in court, mate. 2-story walker.
Officers,
What's the go?
just to confirm, just because the money's not proven to be the what do you call it, the proceeds of crime, you'll be receiving that back, correct?
I've already given him his money back. It is, actually real. The fake money I'm going to be holding on to because that is illegal to have. So.
It's not illegal to have fake money. It's not fake
Isn't
money.
it?
What are you, a money doctor?
Well, yeah, I ran it through our testers at the facilities here.
Unless you're
and
able to prove to me in a court of law that is a proceeds of crime, as in matched.
Dude, this guy's a
bills
legend.
that were used against a crime, and the money he had on him.
I just don't like how they don't budge on anything. There should be a middle ground.
Not illegal?
Because
What
it's
crime have they been
the
using?
cop gets everything they want, and we're trying to just chip away at it.
Sorry, so
So at the end, it's the police discretion, where it should be a middle ground, like a judge.
Yes.
And you
Like in real
those
life.
drugs.
money, and you've sorted out the dirty money and the fake, like the real money, correct?
Yes, correct.
Right. And you've confiscated the proceeds of crime, which is the dirty money, which we assume is dirty because it was used in, or could have been partaken in proceeds of crime.
If he was using it to buy drugs, it would have been used already. He also had over 20 bags of cocaine there. He's obviously a very avid user.
Well,
So you can't say the
I
money
don't
that he
know.
had on him was spent on the
Could be
drugs.
supplying.
I don't think he was, officer.
Well, I don't know about
Based
that.
off the needles in his pockets, I wouldn't say he was supplying. I think he was half as shit.
There's nothing, saying that he's not doing both.
Well, that's up to the courts to decide. If you like that,
Well,
we'll be
exactly,
dropping in negotiations. We countersuit for assault.
Oh. Sued for assault.
This officer, Scotty Ladd, has held my client under the water against his will, filling his
held him.
lungs with seawater, and then claims that this man was selling drugs and under all this
Yes.
rubbish. How do we know that, in the time that he was dragged underwater and, made unconscious by the seawater, that Scotty hasn't put stuff in his pockets? We don't know.
Are you...
Hold on.
Here, hold on. No. You want to be very careful with what you tread and what you say about my officers here in this station. Are you accusing my sergeant to have placed evidence on a suspect?
It's all hearsay until we
No.
prove it. It's what you're saying to me.
No.
You're saying the money he had
I
on is
said
dirty
your
because it's
statement that
marked
you
as
just
dirty
made,
cash.
did you
What's
just
the
accuse
proof?
an
I want to see the
officer?
proof.
Did you
Where's the
just
proof
accuse
that
an
that
officer?
this money were the proceeds of crimes? You have no
Can you
proof.
Scotty,
answer
you've
the
got it on body
sergeant's
cam.
question?
What was the question? Sorry, I wasn't listening to him because it's bold.
The statement that you just made, did you accuse
That was Lauren
one
Day.
of my officers to have
He
placed
said
evidence
allegedly.
on
He said he could have.
your client in that situation? It is a yes or
I
no.
have brought up a
No.
argument
You
I
said
will
it
bring in
before,
court.
repeat it again.
Yes, I
He,
did.
dude, these cops are
You just accused
cringe.
one of my officers.
I said
He
it's a
didn't.
potential- it's a
He said he
possibility.
could have.
Is what I
It's
said.
allegedly. It is a
I said,
possibility.
How do I know? I'm just stating
Dude, why are these cops getting all butthurt?
facts. I'm not a expert on what your officers do. I just met with the
Well, no,
Scotty.
you've seen the double back on your statement. You've just.
He
been-
didn't make a statement. He didn't
How's
accuse
that?
him of it. He said it's possible.
You've got it on body cam, don't you, Scotty?
Of course I do.
Right.
Rightio, X. You've got
do
you've
as
got
well.
this conversation on body cam as well, Daniel.
Dude, he said could have. Is this fucking judge high?
Yes, mate. I guess we're right here. I back my officers in this decision after that outlandish remark that you've just made against. I guess we'll see you in court if you want to contest. it.
Yes, we're going to
I
fucking
suggest you tell
court.
him to take the easy way. He'll get a lesser sentence, like Scotty said. He's just going to send him for the 10 months. He can
We're going to
take
court.
possession, he can
We
take
are
the
going to
state,
court.
Valley Story Walk. Other than that, we'll be in court.
We're going to fucking court.
That's my client.
We are going to court. Dude, come over here.
These clients will be
Come over here. Listen, dude. We're going to fucking court, motherfucker.
Do you have money for court? Court's not cheap.
How
Just the
much?
price of that shit. You get the price. Just a normal.
I have a
court,
bit of
$1.
money.
Let me get the price of that, man.
Alright, because we need a middle ground here. They're just being like a rock that we can't chip out. And thing is, we don't want to go to court for the charges that I'm charged with. We want to sue them. You know what I mean? Like, we don't want to go to court with my charges. We want to take out. We want to put the charges on them. If that makes
So
sense.
criminal matters appeal. It would be
So make sure you get your body cam
60,000, I
saved, make sure we
think.
get everything
Oh,
done,
that's civil.
get all the procedures,
100,000.
like
Fuck.
pages,
Oh, that's
so-
for justice.
That's alright. I can afford it.
Yeah.
I have 200k plus
Alright,
a
let's speak.
bit.
Do you want me to speak to a judge?
Well, let's just slow down. So we almost want to get charged and then sue them.
No, no.
So these charges are
when
gone.
we're disputing it, saying we're going to go to court, they don't lay any charges. They lay the charges down on you now, but you don't serve any jail time until.
Yeah,
after
but
court cases
the thing is,
from
I'm fine with being guilty for this shit, right? But then we sue them for nearly killing me.
Yep.
That's our biggest honker, because that's fact. I literally had to be taken CPR. It was him that gave me CPR, but he's still nearly. I couldn't. What if I didn't wake up, dude? My life's gone because of this. The actions of this officer,
I agree.
and that's fact. And I deserve compensation. So,
So I
we
think
either.
what would happen here is we'll disagree with the negotiations we've made. You'll take the charges that they've charged you with originally.
Yep.
You will then make an application to the courts
Yes.
about these charges, and we'll go from there.
Dude, I fucking love you. Let's do this.
Alright, let's go.
Yes, dude, this is fucking sick. Yes! Oh, dude, this
So
is
I'd like
fucking
to
sweet.
Roll the dice with a court case.
Wait, what?
Roll the dice, take it to court.
Wait,
So,
That's not what I meant.
Charge my client with all the charges that you wish to put on him. We can test them at court. I'll
Wait, this isn't what I was thinking.
few days, hopefully.
Is that what I meant?
Available tonight, even better.
I didn't mean that.
Why wait?
I didn't mean that, dude. What? Oh, who cares? We'll just fuck with it.
So it's what going to be contesting in 10 months.
Not negotiated crime. The original ones you put forward on insurance evasion,
I'm talking
distribution
about
of Class A drugs.
Have I said anything like that? I'm talking about jail time at this current point in time. I haven't said any other charges at the moment.
To my knowledge, if a charge has been disputed and taken to court, jail time will be served after court.
Yeah, and I'm talking to my
Wow, I'm so confused now. I thought he said something different.
Tell me how to do my job. Have a bit of respect and sit there and let me discuss with my officer.
Dude, this guy is cringe, this cop.
Go into another room. Is that understood?
That's fine, but you can stop speaking to me like I work for you.
Dude, this guy's cringe.
I don't. I
In my
wouldn't want to. You
station
seem
at
like
the
a fucking arsehole of a boss.
This guy's a cringe. I don't know if he's just playing a character. If he is, he's very good. But if he's not, cringe lord.
Good luck growing your hair back.
Don't need to. I shave it.
Hey, he's like school principal. Jesus.
Is he?
Wait. I'm confused now because I thought we were doing something different.
Yeah, what?
Wait, so we are going to court and arguing the current charges.
Yes, so but essentially we're going to fight it back saying that they've
But can I?
you're going to get charged, but we're going to counter sue them for assault.
We can do that all under one thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure I might have to speak to magistrate.
Yeah. Otherwise, just I'll plead guilty to these. That's done with. Then we put in another application, a totally different case.
Yeah, so just a lawsuit,
Yeah.
not fighting
Yeah.
the charges.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do that if you like.
I think that's the best because
up to you.
if,
It's your
if we have to
record, it's
argue
on
all
your
this
record.
other shit, we want this. We don't want that other shit.
If you plead guilty, I can't get the record wiped. Once
I
you
don't care
plead
about
guilty,
that.
you plead guilty.
All I care
You
about.
won't-
So, the charges, the time we take it, we do the time. Then that's gone. Then when we argue in court, the only thing that's discussed is them killing me, and then them having to do CPR for me to come back to life. That's all we kind of have to discuss. We don't have to discuss the drugs, all the other shit. It'll come up a little bit, but it'll be way less of a point for them to use against us.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know what the process is.
Expect the load address.
But dude, who's the big who's the guy that just come out of nowhere and is being a fucking asshole?
I don't know. He's like a senior sergeant.
Dude, he reminds me of my school principal. He sucks.
It's a bloke that they say like cops that become high patrol because they're bullied in school.
Oh yeah.
I reckon he's that bloke.
Oh yeah, dude. He has a neck beard.
Yeah, no, he's bald, dead bald.
Oh, he's bald.
Like
I haven't
like
even
a
seen
baby's
him yet.
bodden.
I just thought he would
no,
have a
he's
neck
not
beard.
very nice to look at.
He's actually commander of a division, not high patrol. Get that one wrong, but good try.
Oh wow.
Thank you. So we're actually speaking in a private room. The fact that you're listening to this is a breach of our privacy. So
That'll
walk
be in
away.
a lawsuit. Oh, I love this dude. This is fun. Whereas
Well, if
when
you had
it's
that boldly the judge, you'd be in jail long before you even walk into the courtroom. Seems like the car's got anger issues.
yeah.
Just me making the thought that his officer might be corrupt.
Yeah. I just
I
hope
don't know what he
the
did while you were underwater.
exactly. Yeah, I know. You were just talking about alleged things. He's like, wow, you accused him of this, you fucking little rat. Oh, Jesus, dude, chill.
Rightio, mate. So as you want to contest this in court, we're getting up the document at this
Wait.
current point in time
Are
written up for bail.
we lawyer? Are we
Yes.
what
So
doing
we're not-
what I
so
discussed?
we've rediscussed. He's been pleading guilty to these charges, and the lawsuit will be a separate matter.
The lawsuit will be a separate matter.
Yes, it'll be him versus the police rather than him fighting the charges. We'll be pressing charges against you guys for assault and
Right.
be a counter.
Excellent.
It won't be like a
Well,
counter lawsuit.
you'll have to wait here another 5 or 10 minutes or so, sir, unfortunately, because now I have to go back upstairs and inform the officer.
Too easy. I got nothing
I
but
thought, I
time.
thought the officer listening to our conversation would have told you. It's my bad.
What was that, sorry?
I thought the officer that was listening to our conversation might have told you. That's why.
Oh, no, he's just eavesdropping because you're in all.
Is he molding or balding? I don't know.
I don't know.
They were making corrupt accusations as well. That's on body cam.
Accusations.
Oh,
Oh,
I can't wait for this court case.
I don't think they know what the definition of allegedly means.
No, they don't. I'm gonna wipe the floor with them. just our stance on court, man.
Dude, I've been. Oh, you like
I
you
wanna
they
bring
said
you-
before.
I'm
I've been
I'm
to
gonna bring you
prison.
to the stand. I'm gonna bring you to the stand.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna ask you 2 questions.
Yep.
I'm gonna ask you what you had in your pockets at the time you were arrested.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna ask you what you remember about being arrested.
Yep.
What you're
That's
gonna
all.
answer is that I remember being under the water, high as fuck.
Yep.
And I remember an officer grabbing me and dragging me down, and all I could feel was his weight on top of my body. I couldn't swim. I couldn't move. He held me.
Sorry, knock knock. Am I able to come in? Are you
You
busy?
are, officer.
Alrighty, perfect. I hear it's good news on my half for now until
yes, you've
further
won.
on.
You've won.
Perfect. Nothing new, mate. If you want to follow me to the cells, that'd be great.
Too easy.
You're going to be sentenced for 10 months in prison. I hope you have fun there. Say hello. You have 48 hours to pay these fines. If you do not pay these fines, there will be a warrant out for your arrest. You understand?
Sure thing. Thank you.
Perfect.
Dude, I don't know why the cops were molding. Like, it's just RP, dude. Like, I didn't even... I like the cop that arrested me. I didn't like that guy that come in afterwards, though. He was cringe. I didn't like him. He was cringe. But I don't mind any of the cops. I didn't really like how they power gamed, but... I don't know. We've all been there. We all do dumb shit sometimes.
On the gas, we do big bikes, big cars, give 'em whiplash. Come on, big bikes, big cars, give 'em whiplash.
All we have to say to the officer is bring him to the stand and say, did you have to give him CPR? Yes. Was he unresponsive when you come out the water? Yes. Did you have to give him CPR? Yes. I was fucking dead, brother. I hope the like cops and the judge aren't like. I hope it's mutual. I doubt it though. I think it is on obviously like no picks and that, but I feel like on these servers, like the cops play such big parts in the server that you're kind of screwed. Do we want to wear this to court? Yeah, I think so, but we take the sunnies off. The event probably happened an hour ago.
Who processed you?
It was Scotty Ladd, the charging officer. I believe. Sergeant
right,
Scotty
okay.
Ladd.
This is awkward. The Bachelorette's
So
here.
essentially, Anya's here with me as pretty much my own legal counsel to advise me whether or not you can actually like pull this off.
Yep, that's fine. Fair enough.
Dude, this is gonna be a
we'll head
ripper
upstairs,
video.
we'll have
It's
a-
gonna take me fucking 10
Also,
years
I
to edit
think you're
though.
a tad bit unaddressed for this. but-
Well, I was in the middle of something. And
Yeah,
No,
no,
she
I-
looks
I-
good.
I
What do
was
you mean? She looks fine.
And I'm recovering from a concussion, so you know.
Same.
Still?
So am
Yeah,
It's
I.
been 24 hours on.
No, the doctor told me I have to rest easy for a week, and I've been
A
working
week?
every day. Yes.
Oh god.
Yeah, so I don't really care about all those charges though. Those I've done the time. I've got the bills, and I went. You know, I pled guilty. Whatever.
Do you know how much you're gonna try sue for?
Yeah.
Searching for cost of court. I'm not sure. I want to clarify how much it costs. Plus legal fees.
That you
and
don't.
damages.
Okay, so essentially, with the way court costs work, you don't pay a dime if you win.
For just damages plus legal fees.
So how much are you wanting? How much are you charging for legal fees?
I charge 10% of whatever he wins.
Right, but what if this doesn't go to court? How much are your legal fees?
If he doesn't
like, as
win,
a
I don't
fight,
get paid.
right?
That's my motto.
Okay, so how much did you want to sue them for in monetary compensation and emotional
Jack?
damage and all that?
100,000.
So let's say 100 plus legal, 10%, 110,000 total.
I could have died. I literally died, and he had to. Wait, we won't.
Officer
We
was
won't
being
do
so-
the evidence
officer
now.
said-
We'll do it later.
The officer said to me he had footage, body cam footage of this.
He had to give me
of
CPR
him
to make me
holding my
responsive.
client under the water.
So they have body cam of him holding your client under the water.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, first step. Subpoena
Bit
the
of-
body
yeah.
cam.
How do I do that?
I'm right here.
I'd like to subpoena.
Submit a subpoena to magistrate.
I like that
Is that
word.
through the
Subpoena.
If you
What's happening? I'm in court, bro. Well, we're getting court set up apparently. I don't really know. These guys kind of.
officer?
I'm just
sorry,
the,
no, It's going to take place today because I've actually just had something come up.
Yeah, I'm just writing this up now, so I'll go hand it to PD with you, and they can, you know.
I've had something come up. I've got to buy out quite urgently. So I'm not sure.
We can leave it to next time you're free. It's up to you, man.
Yeah, Jack, leave it with you. Jack, I have your number. Alright, thanks, mate.
Thanks for your help, man. You've been awesome.
I've got to fly out quite urgently. Pleasure, mate. Pleasure.